Hello kids, welcome to Guide Kids channel. National Science Olympiad 2021 paper for class 2. This is part 2. Part 1 link is given in the description. So I am continuing from the last part. Section 1 and previous question of section 2 are in part 1 of video. Link is given in the description. Question 13. Which of the following is an edible root? A. Turnip. B. Potato. 3. Groundnut. D. Sugarcane. Answer. Turnip. Turnip is an edible root. Select the incorrect match from the given options. Answer D. Bricks are not used by carpenter, they are used by mason. Sea water is sweet, sour, bitter, salty. Answer D. Salty. Unscramble the given groups of letters and select the option that gives name of a wild animal that breeds. Answer C. Giraffe. Giraffe bleats while A and B are lion and tiger that they roar, and D is elephant that trumpet. Which of the following is not among the seven colors of rainbow? Red, white, indigo, yellow. Answer B. White. Rainbow is Vibgyor, white is not present in it. Select the option that correctly identifies the type of house shown in the given figure. Answer houseboat. Which of the following road signs shows men at work? Answer D. Dash is a natural thing while dash is a man-made thing, respectively. Answer A. Sun is a natural thing while suitcase is a man-made thing. Leather is obtained from camel, hen, silkworm, honeybee. Answer C. Answer A. Camel. A family where parents, grandparents, siblings, uncles, aunts and cousins live together in same house is called as dash family. Joint, mixed, nuclear, complex. Answer joint family. A. Which of the following activities does not make water dirty? Answer C. A and B is making water dirty. Zebra crossing and subways are made for trucks, buses, walkers, cars. Answer C. Walkers. The road sign shown in the given picture means right turn ahead, no right turn, U-turn prohibited, diversion ahead. Answer A. Right turn ahead. Section 2. Achievers section. Please use pause button since time might be less. Study the given family tree and select the option that correctly answers the following questions. How many unmarried daughters do Vikram and Sandhya have? B. How Shiva and Pawan are related? Answer D. Shivam and Sandhya has one unmarried daughter and Shivam and Pawan relation. Shivam is Pawan's nephew. Refer to the given classification table and select the option that correctly identifies P and Q. So vegetables are given group 1 and group 2. So we have to find out P and Q. So option B is correct. In group 1 we can see stems are there. So garlic and large stems are there. Garlic is B. And group 2 fruits are there. Tomato, lemon are fruit and brinjal is also considered as fruit. So option B is correct. Study the flowchart and select the option that identifies any three among P, Q, R and S correctly. Use pause button if you are falling short of time. Answer C. So here you can see that P is not a, means that it is not a natural fiber, it's artificial fiber, so it's polyester. Then R says it is not obtained from stem. Here it is written cotton, it is obtained from the flower of the plant. And S is linen. Linen is a obtained from plant and it is obtained from the stems of the flax plant. So answer C is correct. Select the option in reference to the given word chop table. A. Animal which gives us milk, box 7 and 10. Animal which is herbivorous, box 2 and 16. Animal from which wool is obtained, box 6 and 15. Animal whose baby is called Joey, box number 3 and 13. Answer C is correct. Here we can see the box 6 and 15 combines to make sheep, that is the animal from which wool is obtained. So answer C is correct. Names of how many oil yielding plants are hidden in the given word group. You can use pause button because it will take time to find out. So answer here, I could find only three, that is coconut, sunflower and mustard, but there might be others also. So if you find any extra name of oil yielding plant, please write in the comment box, so it will be helpful for others also. So I hope you like the video. Don't forget to click subscribe button and like my video.